So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feeders in these hedges. One of them's got peanuts in, one of them's got black sunflower seeds in, and 3 of them have got sunflower hearts. And the sunflower hearts are definitely the most popular. They love this hedge because it gives them somewhere safe to flit back into when they've picked up a seed. Some of them are a bit braver and they just sit on their perch to eat. And we've got blue tits, great tits, I think I saw coal tit earlier, goldfinch, greenfinch, there's been a nuthatch earlier on. I don't think that's around at the moment. But the feeders were probably about twice as full as that last night. You can tell we've had a really cold night and the birds are just stocking up on high-fat food to keep themselves warm. This is quite mesmerising, watching them coming and going.